More trick eggs, you say? Well, yes, of course. Today I'll be making Crabby Deviled Eggs. What all goes into the Crabby Deviled Eggs? 6 eggs, hard-boiled and peeled, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning or your favorite seafood seasoning, 4 ounces fresh or canned crab meat, drained and flaked, 1 tablespoon fresh chives finely chopped, plus extra for garnish, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. I have just regular salt and pepper, paprika for garnish. So let's begin. So take your eggs, cut them in half lengthwise, put your yolks in the bowl, the whites on the platter. Take a fork and mash the yolks until smooth. This will make it easier to mix the filling all together if these are already mashed. I don't think I'm gonna like these, although I have liked some crab, but I opened up that can and it just smelled like seafood to me, and I was sitting there going, I am not going to eat any, but I will try one. Take and add your 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, your 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, the 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and mix that until well combined. I really don't want Dave to know what these are. He's off today. I've banished him to the basement so he can't see or smell what it is. So gently fold in the crab. All of you that like seafood, if you like deviled eggs, I think you will like this. And then fold in the 1 tablespoon of fresh chives chopped. Make sure everything is all covered and evenly mixed. You don't want to take a bite and have nothing but crab, especially me. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give that a quick mix. Then we'll take a spoonful of the yolk and put it in the whites. You might want to mound it up a little bit because it looks like we've got a lot of filling. And I'm making a mess. Kind of runny, surprisingly. And of course, I have not tasted it yet. I may taste it before supper, so I know whether I want to try any or not. But that would be cheating, right? It looks good. And right now, it don't smell too bad. All right, this is my last one. Those look pretty good, don't you think? Then take your paprika and garnish it. I either get too much or not enough. Don't mind these two. Then take your leftover chives. That one, the filling's fallen out because it's on its side. We're going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator to chill until we're ready for supper tonight. See you later. So here are the Crabby Deviled Eggs. Rounding out the meal is garlic bread and calf liver. Let's see what Dave thinks. Trick eggs. They have lots of eggs out there, babe.
That's not too bad. I'm trying to guess what that flavor is. Seems like I should know what that
You
is.
should know what it is.
It's not sardines, is it?
Well, close. Say it's in the seafood family.
Is it crab or something?
Yep, it's Crabby Deviled Eggs.
Actually, it's really not bad.
Oh, it smelled terrible when I was making it.
I still prefer regular deviled eggs, but actually these are pretty good. Maybe even a close second.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.